Hi guys, in this video I'll be discussing how to run reports in Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Now, I'm aware that a lot of people that come to my website are already familiar with CRM, but there's still some questions that I get, and for those of you that don't know how reporting works in CRM, I would like to show it to you because it's actually really valuable to any company to have this type of feature. Now, this is a fresh instance of Dynamics CRM. You'll see here that I have a bunch of contacts. This is all sample data um, from a fresh deployment I just put on about 5 minutes ago. This is all my sample contacts and my sample accounts which come with CRM. And I'm going to be discussing with you how to run special reports to show you special data. Now imagine this is your entire business. Every person you talk to becomes a contact here in this window. Every person that as a company that you deal with will become an account in this window. Now also I want to bring up one more thing. The reason you see this loading thing and it happens for over a couple of seconds is because this is a hosted instance of Dynamics CRM, which means it's a little slow. Now I have really good internet connection and I'm assuming Microsoft Server is really good as well, but I can also imagine the millions of people who are using this and causing congestion on the network. So let's get to it. I'm going to click on my reports button over here in my workplace. Excuse my raspy voice. I haven't been feeling well lately, but let's keep going. I would like to now run some reports. Now there's a couple of built-in reports here, such as activities, account summary, account overview, but I want to run my own report based on their sample data. Let's say I want some fresh information in real time about my contacts. So let's get at it. I'm going to click on New to produce a new report, and I'm going to be using the report wizard to create a new report. I'll make my report name Stuff. I'll just call it Stuff. And my primary entity, the entity I want to run my report against. For example, if I wanted to get information about my accounts, I would choose Accounts. If I wanted to get a report on activities, I would choose Activities, but in this case I want to run it against my contacts, so I'll be able to filter data over there, and that's exactly what you're going to see right now. You're going to see the filter screen. This is where we put our logic and our math. This is basically all verbal math. I'm going to show you an example. Let's say I only want to view contacts whose first name begins with a B. That's what I want this report to do. I want this report to show me, and this is exactly what the math looks like with anything in CRM. You can say show me people who's older than 30 years old. You can show me people who are who owe me money since 30 days ago, or you could say show me only people who purchased 10 bottles of soda from me, or anything. As a matter of fact, you can actually apply this to literally anything. So I'm going to continue this report, and now it's going to ask me what columns do I want to view, which means what data I want to see in this report. Let's say I only want to see the guy's name and city, or I can make it show me only the name and city. So I'm just going to add a bunch of random columns here. I'll add the contact's full name, obviously. Let's add also his phone number, and we might run a report against that. Where's the business phone field? Business phone, there it is right here. They have so many fields in here, and this is just an out-of-the-box installation. I mean, you can totally customize this and make it whatever you want it to be. I mean, it's really great. It is really great. Let me here put the city and the state. I think that should be enough data. I don't want to spend too much time customizing what I'm going to look at. And we're waiting because CRM is lagging a little bit. I really don't like the fact that their hosted solution is like this. Imagine, what if you need instant data and you're lagging, you're getting a frozen window? That would really suck, but unfortunately that happens a lot. And I think I'm done with the report. I'm just going to click on next. I want the report to show in the table, and I'm going to save this report. Where's the finished button? There you go. And we have a brand new report here right now called Stuff. So now I can save and close this report, and let's go to Stuff. And let's see what the report is going to produce me. Now the condition that I put in is that I want to see people whose first name begins with B. and I'm going to now click on Run Report. Now, I haven't really looked at the sample data, so I may get 0 results, and maybe not. Let's take a look. Oh, there you go. There's one person, Brain Lamy, showed up, and this person is name begins with a B. So let me look at the context real quick. Maybe I can run more interesting reports for you, because you can add multiple conditions, which is really cool. You could say, show me people whose name starts with a B and birthday is greater than 1972 or less than 1972, whatever the case may be. Let's see, job title equals manager. Okay, let's see if there's another guy here with a different job title, or maybe there's another manager. Okay, for job title over here we have purchase assistant. Okay, so let's use that in our reports. Why not? Let's filter this out again. Let me go to edit filter, and now I'm going to say instead of show me first name, show me people whose job title begins with, or let's say equals rather, manager. So I should get the same person essentially, and if there's any other managers in that company, I'll be able to see them in this particular report. Now I know oh, there's 2 managers here. We have Keithan Cook and Forrest Chand. Yeah, but wasn't the other guy a manager also? This Brain Lamy guy? Let me take a look at this, because for some odd reason he's not showing in our report. Oh no, he's the owner. I'm sorry. So there's 2 managers, and we have the owner. So naturally, if I go into this report and I edit the filter again, and I say show me who the owner is, I'll be able to get the owner, which is this Lamy person. But oh wow, there's a bunch of owners. See, I didn't even know that. Cat Francis is an owner, George Sullivan, Patrick Steiner, Susan Burke, and Ivana McKay. So there's a bunch of owners to this company, and again, I didn't know because I never looked at this data, but this report gave me that information. As you see the states and the columns. Now you can customize this report to show you anything, and that is a really, really cool thing. You can actually have your own data. If I open a contact here, and I'll show you what I mean by your own data. You see how this asks for general things like first name, last name, phone number, etc. You can actually customize this to say anything, so you can enter any kind of data in there, no matter what it is, and still be able to come up with these awesome reports that are based off your custom fields. And this goes straight into Excel. That is the very cool part. If I export this, I can choose to export as a CSV, and here's my open file pop-up, and take a look, and you're going to see that Excel is going to pop open with that data. So now I can even take it to the next level of manipulation, data manipulation, and I can get more focused results. So the export actually looks great. If you use QuickBooks or if you use any other type of software, you can re-import this back into something else. So that is a very cool thing that Microsoft had done with this version of CRM. And I guess that's it for the report section. Now, this may be, like I said, child's play type of reports because I'm showing you the very bare basics. But you would understand what the filter means, I'm assuming, and you would understand that you can choose any type of field, choose any type of logical equation, equals, not equal, contains, greater than, less than, etc. And you'll be able to do this with any field. So that is an extremely good thing to have. And I create custom reports for people. You can have up to, I believe, what is it, like 30 conditions in here. You could say, tell me about a guy who has blue eyes, dark hair, works at this particular place, in this city, in this state. So you get the idea of it. And I guess that's it. So if you need any customized reports, you have questions about reports, or you want to learn a little more about them, I'll be more than happy to help you guys or build reports for you. And that would conclude the video. So thank you for watching.